This is one of the platforms that we teach in our course called GDevelop Game Design. And this platform is used to create 2D games which can then be published and played by other people. You can also use this platform to play other 2D games created by other people. Here what you can see at my screen is called a scene. And each level you create will have its own scene. And the scene has two things. It has a look, which you can see right now. You have a character, background, platform. Then we have another one, which is untitled scene events. This one is all about code or conditions. And this is just like, you can think of them as the rules. So here we set the rules for the game. So now in this case, I only have two rules. When our character is moving, I want to play a running animation. Simple as that, right? It's a simple human language. And here what I'm saying, if the character is not moving, then we want him to be idle, which is basically standing. Simple as that. And I'm just gonna have a look at it first, right? I'll click on the preview button to test the game. And if I click on my arrow keys, it's moving, it's playing the animation. If I stop, it's idle, right? If I click on space, it's gonna be jumping. Okay, so that's just a preview of the game. I'll just close this for now. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.